and I call upon all the Kenyans to work closely with the police. Our intentions is not to fight any nature of crime. Our intentions is to ensure that the disease curve start flattening by all the members of public obeying the MOH directives. We have been having few complaints here and there, and I want to take this opportunity where police have been involved in excessive actions. Internally, our system has been dealing with that, and I want to report today that I'm very happy. No more complaints from members of public on police, what you have been calling brutality. This is because as management of the National Police Service, we have taken it very seriously, and as we have been working with the members of the Fourth Estate, through you and the other channels, we have been able not only to take punitive action on our officers, but also to advise our officers on the guidelines, how we are supposed to enforce these directives. We have also tried to come in discussions in crucial topics where we also want to be understood that we are also a part of the community, because we also need protection from conducting the disease. As much as we are trying to let the members of public also to keep safe. So this is an understanding for all of us. We are not only on one side of the population, we are all together. So my appeal and my calling is, let us work together as a team. When you as a person, you see a member of public without a face mask, you have also a responsibility to let him know it is dangerous. In fact, we are going further. Instead of taking the enforcement only, where possible, we also donate what we get from you to the members of public